Hello everybody, WolfBlader1212 here, and today I have Armada Hoist, I believe, and Hot Shot from the Cybertron series. See, my tongue is twisted today. I can't even get that out. So let's just get on with it. I'm gonna start with Hoist. Okay, right here, fold the arms up. This one goes like that from behind. Fold the fingers out like that. Take the other one, fold it forward. Okay, take the legs, fold them forward from behind, and take them, just separate them just a little bit like that. Fold the feet like that, and fold the legs down. From behind, take the head and turn it around. There you got Hoist. Alright. Oh, I'm going to show you how I customize this in the Dinobot. Take the big scoop off, turn it around, take the fingers like that. Well, I keep them out. But in my Transformer world, this guy's Dinobot. Mad dude. Whatever. Okay, let's get on to Hot Shot. Take him, go, take the doors, go out like that, take the hood, split it like that. Okay, stand it up, pull out the legs, flip out the feet, okay. Ouch. Dang, that's hard. Fold the head, or turn the head around. I've been saying fold a lot, dang. Okay, and then on the back, just turn that around, and there you got Hot Shot and Hoist. What I do, I take the hood part, take that off, and you got the jet board. Alright, and yeah, I told you I would do these two, and I will get to the other ones later, okay? Bye-bye.